Terror Bird. Episode 2. Where'd the Terror Bird go? There she is. I didn't know you guys got out. I closed your cage. You go down. How'd you get out? Liz. Don't be running away now. Want to eat some of your birdie mash? Birdie mash? Come here. Where's the stick I can use? Got you something. I got you a chicken. Yeah, chicken. But he's bigger than you. You're just a little lovebird. Oh, did he scare you? So sorry. Oh, you got a little tuft. Girly, you got a little tuft on your head. Yeah, you're like, what's a tuft? What's a tuft? What's that little spot on you? Is that an egg? No, you better not be pregnant. You better not be, you sweetie. Sweetie, you don't be pregnant now. This. They shifted their tree playground to the side. Right under you. Don't poop. Do not poop. You coming to see me? Coming to say hello to me? Running away now. I just had a workout, so I'm not sweaty. Too hot to hold the camera. I need to take a shower, Liz. Yeah, I'm all sweaty.